In contemporary society, mental health has increasingly become a focal point of concern and discourse. Recognizing the multifaceted dimensions of mental well-being necessitates an exploration of straightforward yet effective practices that can be seamlessly integrated into one's daily life. This narrative deliberates upon three such practices: mindfulness meditation, regular exercise, and the cultivation of gratitude, which are pivotal for enhancing mental health. To commence, mindfulness meditation emerges as a tranquil yet potent tool in mitigating mental unrest. This practice involves focusing one's mind on the present moment, eschewing anxieties about the past or future. By fostering a heightened state of awareness and acceptance, mindfulness meditation significantly diminishes stress and augments emotional regulation. The daily incorporation of this practice allows individuals to develop a calm, centered disposition, which is essential in navigating the vicissitudes of life. Next, the role of regular exercise in promoting mental health cannot be overstated. Physical activity catalyzes the release of endorphins, colloquially known as feel-good hormones. These neurochemicals play a crucial role in fostering a sense of well-being and euphoria. Hence, a consistent exercise regimen, be it aerobic workouts, strength training, or even a simple daily walk, serves as an efficacious strategy to combat symptoms of anxiety and depression. The physiological benefits of exercise are inextricably linked to its psychological payoffs, rendering it an indispensable component of a holistic mental health strategy. Finally, the practice of gratitude is an understated yet profoundly impactful habit that can significantly enhance mental health. By deliberately acknowledging and appreciating positive aspects of one's life, individuals can shift their focus away from negative thoughts and feelings. A practical method to cultivate gratitude is by maintaining a daily journal where one records 3 things they are thankful for. This simple act can engender a pervasive sense of contentment and mitigate the propensity for ruminative thinking. Consequently, gratitude practice stands as a pillar for fostering a resilient and optimistic mindset. In summation, the intricacies of mental health call for a multifaceted approach. Mindfulness meditation, regular exercise, and the cultivation of gratitude are 3 accessible yet transformative practices that can substantially bolster mental well-being. These practices are not mere palliative measures, but fundamental components of a resilient mental health regimen. Their regular integration into daily life promises not only the alleviation of mental distress, but an overall enhancement of quality of life.